How to fix a problem was detected with the TrueDepth camera on iPhone. So if you want to fix a problem was detected with the TrueDepth camera on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down and then go with accessibility section. Under accessibility, you need to scroll down again and you will find Face ID and attention. Tap on it and ensure that it requires attention for Face ID. Make sure that the toggle is turned on. And also haptic on successful authentication. Make sure that this is enabled as well. If these options are not available, then you can just simply go and run a hardware test for your Face ID and your problem might be fixed. Or for the solution 2, you need to check your hardware test for Face ID related issues. To do that, you need to open up your App Store, go with search. Under search here, you need to search for an application which is Check My Device. You'll find the Check My Device application. You need to just simply go and install it. And after installing, you need to open the application, find the option called Face ID, test, tap on it, and then tap on the start test option. Make sure that your Face ID is working or not. If it's all working, then tap on OK. But if the test has been failed, then that means there is a hardware issue and you'll need to take it to the Apple Store Support Center for help and your problem might be fixed. Or you can just simply go back, open up your settings. From settings, you need to scroll down and then go with accessibility, scroll down again, go with Face ID and attention. Go with general, scroll down, tap on Face ID and password, enter your password, and you need to go and reset your Face ID. After resetting your Face ID, your problem might be fixed. Or the next solution is you need to go back and then here you need to go with general, go with software update, and update if you have any software updates. After that, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.